Good morning, my young friend, who's amazing. Jackson's amazing. What am I going to make today? I'm going to make cereal. Hot cereal. So what kind of hot cereals do we know about? Oatmeal, grits, and cream of wheat. Now, there are others too, but you can have sorghum. That would be another one that you could have. And today we're going to make cream of wheat, but I'm going to use a funny named flour called Kamut. Kamut. And what I'm going to do is I am going to warm up water and milk. I don't have regular milk, so all I have is almond milk. And it says it's vanilla and unsweetened, so we'll see. Anyhow, so I have 2 cups of water here, and I'm going to pour the water into the pot that's already warming up. Then I need to measure 2 cups of the almond milk because it says 2 cups of water, 2 cups of milk. So I'm going to pour that in. I really don't eat this almond milk, but Aunt Kim does. So I said, "Can I use your almond milk?" And she said, "Sure." So I'm putting that in the pot, as you can see, and that's going to warm up. Now what we have to do is we have to take our Kamut. You say, "Well, Uncle John, what does it look like?" Let's see if I can show you. It's tiny. Most wheat is tiny anyway, but we're going to turn on the mill and make the cereal. Now, part of me says, why don't we make it chunkier? And the other part says, no, let's make it finer. So we're going to make it finer. But with our mill, we can't put the grain in until we turn it on. So noise. And then, let me see if I got this. Kind of noisy, but it's almost done. Almost. All done. So, this is the same kind of grain that I would make pasta with, but today we're just making cereal with it. So I'm going to start to boil the water and the almond milk. And when it starts to boil, we'll come back. Okay, buddy, I am just about getting ready to see boils. Leave the little bubbles. Let me see if I can get in closer. See those tiny bubbles? That's what happens just before boiling. So we call that simmering. But you can see the heat is making the milk and water move. So what we're going to do is, just now, I'm going to pour in the flour. What do we call that? Kamut. Okay. Now I'm going to take my little, I use this for bread mixing. Mommy probably has one of these. And we're going to stir it up, get all the lumps out, and let it come to a boil. I might have to get a whisk because that's leaving me lumps. I don't want lumps. We're not after dumplings, we're after cereal. I'll be right back. I gotta get. Okay, buddy, what I did was I took our immersion blender and I put it in there to get rid of the lumps. What's an immersion blender, Uncle John? Well, here it is, bud. You put it in, and it has a little blade at the bottom. And you just do this. And that takes care of most of the lumps. And I put some coconut sugar on it, and I put some honey on it, and Aunt Kim has already tasted it, let's see what she has to say.
It tastes delicious.
Just
I love
delicious?
it.
Okay.
I love it.
Alrighty.